Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to change the name on Facebook on Samsung. We start by opening our Facebook profile. Next, we click on the account menu and then on the settings and privacy icon. Here we click on Account Center and then on Profiles. Now we click on the profile to edit. Finally, we will be able to enter the name or username options and change it to another one. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.